Blanching is a technique where you briefly boil or steam food in salted water before plunging it into ice water. And right now, I'm going to show you how to blanch vegetables using broccoli rabe. My water is boiling. Now I need to salt it. A lot of times people will say, salt it like the sea. Can you see me back here? But honestly, you really want to salt it like soup. You don't want it so salty. So I'm going in, salt it like stock or soup, okay? I'm going to drop in my broccoli rabe. So the broccoli rabe will blanch in 2 minutes. Blanching is crucial because it does a few things. It stops enzymes that cause flavor loss and locks in bright divot colors. It keeps vegetables crisp and helps toughen them for freezing. It also helps reduce bitterness in certain greens. It's been about 2 minutes. Are you ready? Look at that. I'm gonna do a little shake, shake, shake here. I am now going into this cold bath. All right, here we are, Sur La Tip time. Shocking the blanched vegetables in the ice water stops the cooking in seconds. It locks in that green color. This is what you want. And that's how you blanch.